pour it in the mold. First the green color, then the gray, and some clear in the middle. I wanted it to be a crackle effect poster delight. So wish me luck. So I'll start with the green. This is an experimental piece, that's why I am doing it in this very small poster. This is a 4-inch poster mold. I'll save some silver gray to pour one more thin layer afterwards. After I guess 5 to 10 minutes. So I am pulling it up a little bit below the mold, as I need to quickly torch it down. Arab darwaza kholo. Now again a thin layer of gray above the green. You can see the color started to spread already. Let me torch it down once again. So my first layer has cured. I just want to see which side has come out nice. So I'll keep that side and we'll add the tea light holder then. Let's demold. This green also looks good, but silver didn't spread out much, and it will look good once I top coat it. I like this side also. I'm now confused. But I can see the silver patterns here, and once I top coat it, it will be visible. But I have this cute. So I had told you that I'll add something different. So I have this tattoo sticker with me. I wanted to experiment with tattoo stickers since long, but didn't know where to use it. Okay, I'll go with this, and I'll add a tea light holder here. They all will go side by side. A very simple tea light holder it will be called. Our Indian version is much decorative, so I'll be doing those in upcoming days. For the time being, I'm doing simple projects. So let's start. I'll have to wet the tissue to transfer this tattoo here. let's add this tattoo, cute tattoo here. Please note, I have never ever applied tattoo anywhere still, so I have no idea how it will be applied perfectly, or so this is a wet paper towel. I'm just dabbing it on the tattoo. I hope this attempt goes a success, because I wanted it so bad. I got inspired from Claire's Crafty corner, where she had added tattoo stickers to many of her art creations, and I was curious about this tattoo stickers, so I wanted to try them, but didn't try them ever. I don't know how it will be transferred to the resin coaster perfectly, or if it goes partial or fully, I don't know. Just I'll have to check if they transfer or not. Oh wow, look at this. Isn't it cute? I have to just, I guess I applied too much water, so I will just yes, I have to dry it out. This completely came out clean, and it should be transferable like this only. So my coating resin is still not warm enough, so I'll wait 5 to 10 minutes. Until then, my tea light holder. So as you can see, the tattoos are transferred here, and they look super cute. And this is the tea light holder. I'll just place it down here, but let me first coat it down. Look at the colors popping up. And that is the beauty of top coat. I always enjoy this part where the colors start popping up, and while top coating you have to be very much patient while top coating. Also, this poster is out of the mold, and I don't cover the back side with latex or glue, crafting glue, PVA glue, so there are chances of spillage. So I do it very patiently, not in a hurry. So they just dome up perfect, and we just have to check whether all the sides are covered or not. There have been instances where a big bubble or big gap was created in somewhere middle, and sides were perfectly covered. So I'll just place it down here. This will secure the secure it perfectly. And now we wait for 24 hours.